Welcome to CropScape, the Cropland Data Explorer. Our demonstration will start with layer control functions. First, set the background layer in the left panel. Then click Cropland Data Layers to hide or display the listed years. On the boundaries, click County ASD or State to hide or display the administrative districts in the main panel. Check the Legend tab to see whether all the legends are ready for display. Above the main panel, user can find Zoom In, Zoom Out, Pan, Drag Zoom, Home, Refresh, Previous View, Next View, and Save buttons. Use Drag Zoom and Pan to zoom into the Fairfax County of Virginia. User can save the current map extent as the initial extent for next time's use just by clicking the Save button. In order to do so, user needs to allow cookies for the browser. If you haven't enabled cookies yet, simply enable it. Click the Save button again, close the browser, and then reopen CropScape in a new window. The map is to be displayed in the saved extent. Click Identify Crop at Pixel, then click on the Cropland layer to get the crop type, value, and color at mouse position. Or select County Agriculture Census Information button, then click on the specific county to query the information. One way to define an area of interest is by drawing a polygon, a rectangle, or a circle on the map. Click Clear the Define Area of Interest button to remove the unneeded AOI. Another way to define an area of interest is to click Define Area of Interest by State, ASD, or County button on the toolbar. Select from the drop-down list to confirm State, ASD, or County. After a specific AOI is defined, user can perform AOI statistic to retrieve a table as the result for that region. Results can be sorted by pixel count or acreage. Use Preview button to preview the results. Or use Print button to print out the sorted ones. Also, you can export the results in a CSV file. Use pie chart or bar chart for better visualization. Select one or multiple records in the table and export them for mapping by clicking the Rightmost button. In the newly opened Data Preview window, use Zoom In or Zoom Out buttons to observe the image. Or click Reset button to reset the scaling. Click Download button to activate the downloading of the image in GeoTIFF format. Close all the dialogs. Click Change Analysis button on the toolbar, then select the reference year and the other year in the dialog. After submission, the results of comparison between the 2 years will show up. We can either sort the differences by pixel counts or acreage. Use the first 3 buttons to preview, print, or export the results. Use Preview button to preview the images. Any changes between the 2 years are marked with the color of vermilion. All the unchanged areas remain its original coloring, the same as the CDL legends. Select one crop change in the table, then click the rightmost button to get ready for exporting the selected map for the crops. Click Download in the preview window to finalize the export in GeoTIFF format. Close the dialog, click Create PDF for AOI button to generate the thematic map with CDO, USDA, NAS logo, legends, and scales. In the dialog, specify the title and paper size of the PDF file. Then click Download to confirm the output. Click Download Define Area of Interest Data button to specify your choices of exporting, including year and projection. If you have not defined any area of interest, a confirmation dialog will display. Click Yes to download all available CDL by state for the selected year in a compressed file. Click Preview button to preview the images. Or click Export as KML button to obtain KML file and display it in Google Earth. Click Download button to download the customized result. If you need any further help or assistance, click Demo Video, Help, or FAQ buttons on the right. Here is an easier way to explore CropScape for each state. Simply add the state abbreviation in its uppercase to the end of the URL address. For example, add VA to the end of the link and enter return. The CropScape goes to the view of Virginia. That's the end of our demonstration. Thank you for supporting Cropland Data Explorer. Goodbye.